Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Rachel. So this is my first time vlogging, so please bear with me. And so run an errand with us to SM Manila since nautusan ako na ipaayos yung hinge ng laptop. Actually, nakapunta na ako last time, then nakapag-down payment na ako. Pero hindi pa available yung parts. Need pa nila orderin internationally and now na-inform na ako na nandiyan na daw yung parts. So kailangan ko nang puntahan. Yan, tamang pakyut lang kasi I always do this whenever I'm holding the camera. And then, touchdown here at SM Manila. Sobrang init nito at this time kasi almost 5 p.m. to. And then, super dami rin ng tao. Even though it's Monday, Then, here, pagkapasok, sobrang lamig din sa loob. Luckily that we brought some jacket. So here, ang pupuntahan natin is Cycle Repair Station Customer Service for Tecnoy Infinix customers. So located to sa Cyber Zone at the ground floor of SM Manila. Then ito yung shop nila, which is Rose. Then tinanong lang ako dito. Nasabi ko for repair station ako, ganyan. Then I was telling them here na nakalimutan ko yung receipt last time na nakapag-down payment na ako. Pero na-picturean ko, but they told me that it's okay. Then nila tinignan. Then here, ito yung part ng laptop na nasira. Na-disconnect na yung LCD sa keyboard. So, ayan yung need ayusin. Then, we were advised na bumalik before 7 p.m. So, kumain muna kami sa Jollibee. Tamang mix and match and chicken joy lang. Then, after this one, we opt to famous Belgian waffle for our desserts. We ordered brownie fudge mallow cream cheese, which is my favorite of all. Then another one again, plain chocolate yung isang flavor. Then after this, naglaro na lang kami sa Quantum, pambansang tambayan ng mga estudyante ng UDM. Missing some songs here too, and now I'm exchanging tokens. Mga 4 tokens lang in-exchange ko for here para lang maglaro ng basketball and to sing a song sa karaoke. Then dito ko na-realize na nasayang lang ang pera na pinapalitan ko kasi wala man lang na-shoot dito. Tapos may lumalabas pa. And at the last time may na-shoot naman. Then bumalik na kami sa shop kasi hindi na namin balikan yung laptop. And here's my laptop. Okay na siya. Naayos na yung hinge part. Actually, both hinges na yung pinalitan para just to make sure na safe yung dalawa kasi nga manipis lang ang hinge ng Infinix. Ay lang yung downside niya. Then, I'm checking here kung okay ba yung LCD, gumagana ba, and kung may other issues. Para before umuwi, ma-make sure na walang problema para hindi na bumalik. And here, my receipt, hawak-hawak ko yan just to approve na pumunta ako today. Now, I'm so happy kasi pwede ko nang madala yung laptop sa school for research purposes. Again, thank you so much SM Manila. See you again sa Kawaan ng SAP. Uy!